We were founded in 1986. Official name is Whitley Peanut Factory. Most people call us Whitley's Peanuts. We are a manufacturer, processor of Virginia-type peanuts and candies.
We started these peanut clusters over almost 40 years ago. So the process was totally manual, so it was hand dipped.
And it was becoming very evident in the last 2 to 3 to 4 years that we were going to have to do something else. We were just going to have to just be happy with the sales that we have.
How do we make it exactly like it is, but also to make it automated?
And we came across INPRO.
INPRO Technologies was started by Mike and I's father over 30 years ago.
We put together a cell that integrates 6-axis robot arms as a way to help scoop clusters of peanut and chocolate at a higher throughput than could be done manually. They were looking for a way to make them still feel handcrafted, right, hand dipped.
It's unbelievable, really. I mean, from the very first concept we saw, we thought we had something, and what we're able to do now with 2 robots compared to what we were able to do with the amount of people that were in there, is pretty substantial.
We absolutely did not want to let people go because we have robots. That's not what our goal was. Our goal was to increase production. We're still hand packing the product, so we knew that if we were going to increase production that we needed to probably have more people, and we have actually hired a couple extra people. I think it's awesome that we both are Hokie-owned companies.
Making that connection is really cool just because, it's such a big university to be able to find somebody else, that is invested in their business and a family business, especially as much as we are. It's really special.
And when you have that common ground, that common background at a place, especially a place as special as Virginia Tech, it just makes it a lot easier to have that trust.
Our whole mission is to bring technologies to manufacturers as a way of being of service to them. And I think a lot of that comes back from our roots at Virginia Tech that I may serve. There was just a shared, mentality to work in service to each other and in collaboration with Whitley's Peanut Factory.